Evowaste technology provided by PT Kindred Group Indonesia for waste management. Congratulations.
This recognition validates our strong commitment to the country of Indonesia and our contribution to the society for global environment, especially for Indonesia.
I'm Romi Putra, founder and CEO of Evowaste Technology Indonesia.
I'm Chris Mangwal. I'm the chairman and founder of Evowaste.
This award of Fast Enterprise category for Evowaste Technology is our achievement as our commitment for the environment, the global environment of Evowaste for our country and the global environment. Okay, achieving this award is the total collaborations from our team, from research and development, product development, and also the society, the community, and also the collaboration with the government.
Well, we are working based on ESG framework. So our practices is very much into the ESG principles, which is we make the balance between the environment and social and the governance. So we create the balance between all those trees, while other companies, our competitors, usually only take one or two. You know what? But we create the balance. Yes, it's very much important because inclusivity is the social factor in ESG. Is a social thing. Is inclusivity, meaning that what we're doing is we are engaging the society, the communities around our facilities, and we also work with their programs, you know, the local programs. So inclusivity is, I think it's very important for us. Our focus is in inclusivity also. Well, obviously, research is always number one. We keep tracking on what's happening to the market because sometimes the problem changes. When we fail to understand the problems, when the problems is changing, then we don't understand what is the problem. Then we cannot make a good solutions.
The future plans of Evowaste Technology is build the facility as much as possible in Indonesia and also in another country, Asia Pacific as well. And we try to build the factory to produce, to supply the products to the customer. Thank you, Enterprise Asia.
Indonesia bangkit!